say, show me what I need to know, yeah. Something about the way you move, got you looking like you're alone, yeah. You've been working all your life, cause it feels right, you never learn, yeah. I think you know you gotta let it go, you gotta let yourself taste the world, you've been hurt. Do you wanna be my lover tonight?
Alright, so here's Mom, Ori, and Dad. Today is the day where I'll be chopping off half of my hair. You guys look forward to it? And let's keep on with this vlog for part 2. Okay, at the salon now, and going to get all this cut off, most of it cut off. It's gonna be really short. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so I cut my hair, as you guys can see. It is really short, but it's really nice. Literally took 4.5 hours. We were there for 4.5 hours, but it was a lot of time blow drying under the dryer, and I've been under the dryer like 2 times, and that was easily for like 2 hours. I washed my hair for like something like 15 minutes, and she started, did the perm rod set. This is my hair, and yes, it's really short. I just had to get all the dead ends off, and it is definitely a drastic change, but I really like it. No regrets. I was so like scared, but yeah, definitely I'm loving it. So keep you guys updated. So far out of focus, hardly see the miles ahead. Feel so isolated, like I don't know where I ought to begin. But I'm on my way back in. There's always been a river running through the thoughts in my head, on and on forever, until it didn't even make any sense. But I'm on my way back all this time counting my steps, only feel nice when I'm back in. I'm not myself, out of my skin. I'll be alright when I'm back in. All this time counting my steps, only feel nice when I'm back in. I'm not myself, out of my skin. I'll be alright when I'm back. We're at the Clark Street Diner on Argyle in Los Angeles.